Well, this is Forest Ridge.
It's wonderful. It's peaceful. It's wonderful out here.
Jack and Lori Kavanaugh spend their mornings watching wildlife.
You know, it's terrible just sitting and waiting. I mean, they come out.
But on Christmas Day,
We have the deer that come across our property all the time.
a strange sight caught their eye.
Christmas morning, I looked out the window with my coffee, and I always look at the deer.
You know, accidents happen.
There's a doe turning the head, and it was an arrow sticking in the doe's nose.
A deer they nicknamed Miss Doe was clearly suffering.
Yeah, it's been very upsetting because we've seen her just about every day since, you know.
We're sick that somebody in this community could hurt wildlife, could hurt any animal.
Jack and Lori immediately called the Division of Wildlife.
They want to put this to bed just as bad as we do.
Wildlife officers spent days trying to capture the injured animal.
And so they're hoping to pull the arrow out, clean up the wound, and basically assess, you know, where she's at from there.
Jack and Lori had high hopes for Miss Doe.
We have to save her. I don't know how much longer she's going to last.
You know, she's still got a pretty good chance.
It was tough. It was real tough.
But there would be no happy ending.
I gotta find who did this.
They will be.
Wildlife officers decide Miss Doe's infection was too severe.
And then the gun went off, and that was the end.
They had no choice but to put her down.
They were waiting.
And it was almost as if the rest of the herd knew what happened.
How beautiful.
They gathered as if to say goodbye to the doe who had become so dear to so many.
I just hope we find who did this. Look how peaceful. Why would somebody hurt something like this? Look at.
The stories ended. Right. Unfortunately, it had to end this way. Very unfortunately.